Here is the house where we live. We live on the second floor. And this is the road to the beach. It is about, as you see, it is about 200 meters until the road, until the main road, and it is about 100 meters to the beach from that road. So, as you see, the beach is very close. It is about 10 minutes, maybe more, by walk. That's all. We got up this morning very early, about at 7 o'clock, and we visited the morning beach first time in Trincomalee from 7:30 till 10 o'clock. And now I'm going to find services where I can rent a bike. I have walked 200 meters and this is the main road. Now I'm turning right because here is a man which suggested me the motorbike of his brother, and the cost of this motorbike is about 1,500 rupees. Okay, let him ask some discount, and if not so, okay, I will try to find another place where to rent a bike. This motorbike is 1,500 rupees. Here is the bike. Okay, hello. Hello. What did your brother tell?
Yes, he's coming here.
He's coming here?
Yeah, just you going on find. Just wait,
what about discount?
He's talking with you. Just wait, give a few minutes, he will come here.
Okay. This is the main road of Trincomalee in the area of the church. Do you see this beautiful Catholic church? Yes, it looks fine. That man hasn't told me the price for the vehicle, the end price. I don't know the discount, so first I want to visit another rental service. According to this road sign, the Danomica vehicle rental service is closed. Hello? Hello? Does anybody here? Hello? Can I rent a bike here?
The scooter.
Scooter?
Yeah.
I have rent a motorbike today in the Danomica vehicle rent. It is a nice organization. First, I asked him, the owner, about the price, and he told me that the bike will cost me 1,500 rupees per day. It is about $10, United States $10. But I told him that I will rent not only one day but 10 days or more, and he gave me another price, not 1,500 but 1,200 rupees. I gave him only 5,000 and I promised him that I will bring the last part of the amount of money tomorrow. And today I drove 2 times on this bike. First time on the marketplace in the center of Trincomalee to buy for my wife papaya, eggs, potato, mangoes, ginger. And the second time I was in the center of Trincomalee because I had to fill the fuel. So 5 liters of petrol, it cost me 820 rupees. And now I want to show you the motorbike which I have rented. This is the bike which I have rented this morning in the Nomica Vehicle Rent Service. Here is the name of the rental service. The Nomica Vehicle Rent. The brand of this motorbike is Honda. This is the number plate, the front view, the front wheel, this is the name of this bike, Dio. Here is the back wheel. Here is the back number plate. And these are the bikes of the owner, of his wife and his daughter. This is our baby stroller.